episode of Vendor Spotlight starring Johnny Starr and Ron the Baker.
Ron, what do we got here?
Red Lantern.
Oh, yes.
Where do they come from? Are they offshoot of somebody, or are they just...
No, Red Lantern's been around for a long time. Their headquarters is in Changsha, China, is where their main office is. Of course, we see them in Luoyang as well. But yes, Red Lantern's been around a long, long time. We've been doing business with them for a little bit, I don't know, 3, 4, maybe 5 years now, I think.
Yeah, it's been around.
And little by little, doing some business with Red Lantern, one of the, 19 vendors that we buy from now.
Yep, and tonight we're going to do a vendor spotlight, so we're going to talk about these briefly, and then we're going to shoot them all off. You can watch them one after another, and if you felt obliged to buy from all one vendor, this is the kind of show you would get. And before we talk about the ones, let's talk about how you picked these out. You did the order. So if you were going to do a backyard show, how would you order them up like this?
Well, a backyard show, I always, if I was doing a backyard show, of course, I would start with the smallest ones. I would end with this one because it's a fan-shaped cake.
Okay.
But basically, it's the same way, kind of smaller down to the bigger ones, and then kind of have your last one for a for a finale. And but I always like to start with the small ones first. I know in previous demos we haven't done that because we've been picking them and then they've been writing the sheets and we just go in order of the sheets. But tonight we decided to do a little bit different. We're going to go in order from the smallest to the biggest, and it's going to be quite a show. And once again, it's just a small, what do we got, 9 pieces.
Yep.
Just a 9-piece, just a quick video. You don't have to bore nobody, just a good thing to get to learn a little bit about Red Lantern products, and it's a good company to deal with. And so it's one of our many vendors.
If I was doing a show, I would start off with something, and I don't know if there's any reports in this one or salutes or anything, but I would like to wake them up. Do something loud at first, wake them up.
Yeah, I always like to do something. Sometimes I do like a girandola, which is like a UFO, and a salute finish, something like that. So kind of boom, up, we're ready, or we shoot up one rocket super high and boom, and then this gets people attention that we're starting to shoot a show.
All right, so let's name all these up.
Okay, so this one is Pyro Peppers.
That's right. 25
Skylight.
shots. These are 200
shot
grams.
as well. These are all 200 grams. Brigade Blaster, fantastic piece, 16 shots.
Victorian?
You got the Victorian, 34 shots, which is a fan-shaped cake, which is a beautiful cake. Execution, Feline Grace.
I don't understand this one.
I'm not a big I'm not a big fan of the label, but I like the iridescent, but I'm not a big fan of the Feline Grace. Hopefully, it's not about the label, it's what's inside the label.
There you go. TikTok. We saw this one the other night.
I'm not a big fan of the TikTok either.
This is more about a clock. I don't think it's about the app.
Okay.
This is a good cake. We saw it the other night.
Ladder, 36. Fantastic cake. And revenge, 21 shots. So this is what we took off our shelves just to kind of spotlight Red Lantern, and we'll be seeing them tonight.
Yeah, we hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.